Good evening, my YouTube friends and family. This is Brian Kelly, and I'm reporting to you from my man cave here in Garner, North Carolina. Just want to say thank you so very much for deciding to take a look at this video. I've not done a video in about 5 days, so I think I've got to get back on track here. But wanted to share something that's relatively new. It's not like a direct way to make money and everything, but it's more so educational. And, we go to high school, we go to college, we pay a ton of money, and that's a great education, not knocking that at all. But there's a new kind of education, I call it, and I call it YouTube education. And the whole thing is there are thousands of people who are what they call YouTubers who are making a tremendous amount of money, various ways of doing it. A lot of them are making videos and getting paid for advertisers putting their ads on their websites. On their videos. A lot of things to do with CPA offerings and things like that. There's a variety of ways to make a lot of money on YouTube, but most people don't know how to do it. I am kind of new to the game myself. I'm learning it because I've come to realize that you can make a tremendous amount of money just on YouTube, but you gotta know the skills. You gotta have someone to, kind of take you by the hand and show you the ropes. Show you how to do it and everything. Okay, and I found a guy. He's a 19-year-old guy. I think he's from California. Kind of really nerdy looking guy, and he shared some information with me, and I'm in the process of learning this whole thing about YouTube, about making videos, and there's so much involved in it. It's not like super complicated at all, but there are some parts that you've got to learn to master. And once you are able to do that, then I'm not saying you're on easy street, but you've learned a valuable skill, and you can pretty much get your videos ranked, and you can just, you can make pretty decent money on a long-term basis. I know a guy, well, I don't know him personally, but there's a guy here, I won't even say his name, young black guy from Alabama, and the guy's like 21 years old, and he's making like $100,000 a month from YouTube videos. And it's not even, it's not like his videos are like about making money at all. It's like, like more like reality TV, and I remember last week he did a video, and it was out there for like 15 minutes, and it had like 10,000 views, in that short period of time. This guy has like over 1 million subscribers. His wife, they kind of do it together, and his wife has about 4 million subscribers, and they are doing really well. And they don't do anything special. They're just kind of talking about their lives, and he has like a lot of nice little cars, and really decent guy, funny guy. And he and his wife do a lot of different things together. So my point is, you don't have to do anything spectacular. It just you kind of got to get people's attention, and you can make funny videos or whatever you want to do. But the bottom line is just getting on YouTube, making videos, and just being yourself, just being who you are. And again, I'm kind of new to the whole YouTube thing myself, and it's new to me, obviously, and I'm learning, and it's been fun so far. But I'm really looking forward to learning the intricate details of it. And this guy here, as you can see, he does free training how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. Now, look, it's kind of weird, but this free training will show you exactly what it's talking about. No experience or technical skills needed. This actually works, and it's very easy to do. I'm telling you guys, it really is. Okay, just gotta pay attention. You don't have to what? You don't have to show your face. I know sometimes people don't want to show their face, including myself. I don't do a lot of videos with my face, which is, I don't know, I'm a little self-conscious, I guess. Got to get some nerve up, but I don't really show my face. And you don't have to record any videos. Again, he's going to show you exactly what that means. All right. The information on the website below is mind-blowing and gives you the skills to make YouTube your freaking cash cow, dog. Your freaking cash cow. That's what you want. All right. Check it out. This is the website I want you to go to. All right. Excuse me. All right. YouTubecashprogram.com. Now, go there, and he's going to have like a little webinar or whatever. I think it's a webinar. Going to show you. It's going to be a free training. Going to show you exactly what this is all about. If you like it, you can proceed. If not, then it's no big deal. But my whole point is this. We get involved in network marketing programs. We get involved in all kind of different business opportunities and so forth. But I will tell you that YouTube is a very, very powerful marketing medium. All right. And mainly it's free. You can post videos on YouTube and people go there, people look at the videos, they follow, they go to your website and they sign up for your business or whatever, the case may be, but it's free. And people from all around the world look at your videos, and you start making, one video, and before you know, you're making one every day. And what happens is you start getting a lot of subscribers and a lot of comments and things like that, which is something that you want. And again, I'm kind of new. I'm very new with this, so I don't really know all the technical details, but I do know things. If you have the right keywords for your video, and when you have that done in the correct way, then your video over a period of time can go viral, and that means it's going to be seen by a lot of people all around the world. And again, that's what you want for your business. So it doesn't make any difference what you're doing. If you want to, if you're doing a network marketing program or a business opportunity, a gifting program, or any type of program that you're doing, or if you're just like you want to take pictures of your cats or whatever. I don't know. Whatever. I don't like cats, but whatever you want to do, man. It's this is a big world out there, and people need what you have to offer. I may have told this story before, but it's like, a while back I got my wife had bought me a bicycle, and I opened it up, and the direction, because here's the deal. I'm not ashamed to say I'm a dude, but I'm not real handy. I'm not like a really good mechanic, so it takes me a while to figure things out and how to put things together. So when I opened the box, it didn't have a lot of great instructions. So I was like, man, how am I gonna put this bike together? I want to go riding and everything, and so I said, well, let me go to YouTube. So what I did, I went to YouTube and I typed in the actual bike name and everything. I typed it in and hit enter, and guess what? There was a guy who had a bike just like mine, and he knew how to put it together. So what he did, he showed me how to put the bike together on YouTube. I was able to put the bike together perfectly, no problems at all. If I didn't have that video, that bike would still be in my garage on the floor. Seriously. So I guess my point is, for anything out there, if you want to learn how to cook, if you want to learn how to cook like, Chinese food, or, whatever you want to, literally anything you want to know how to do, you can find it on YouTube. And so my thing is, why not be able to master YouTube, how to do videos, how to put stuff out there, how to get people to look at those videos, and after a while, I think if you hit like 1,000 subscribers or whatever, don't quote me on this, but I think 1,000 subscribers and so many views, then you can apply for like a Google AdSense, and then you can start people advertising on your site, and that's how you can make. That's one part of how you can make money. I have a friend who he has like 10,000 subscribers, and he hadn't done any videos in a long time, and he's making like $300 a month, which is not a lot, but I mean, it's like, he's not doing anything to get that. So I'm like, that's really, really easy. So I don't have, that many subscribers myself, but after I learn this, I'm going to really ramp it up and, educate myself. So I'm sorry, excuse me, I'm burping here. So what I want you to do is to learn YouTube, learn the ins and out of YouTube. Again, you don't have to show your face. You don't have to record any videos. He's going to show you all this stuff, how to do this and everything. It's really cool, really, really good information that he's going to share with you. And the guy's like, he's a nerd, but he knows his stuff, man. He really does. He's really good. So I strongly advise you to go to the website right here, YouTubeCashProgram.com. Take a look at that website and look at the videos on there. It'll show you some information that you want. You might want to, move further on, but the main thing is you've got to educate yourself. Okay, you've got to. This world is changing. I mean, going to college is fine. I don't have anything against that, but getting a bachelor's degree is now the equivalent of getting a high school diploma. There's so much competition in this world that we live in for jobs. They're not as plentiful as they used to be. So you've got to think outside the box. You've got to think of, not saying don't get a degree, you should, but you've got to think of other ways to educate yourself. And, YouTube is a great way. You got stuff like, you got YouTube, you got TikTok, you got Instagram, all those things. There's so many young people on there who are making so much money. You don't hear about this, but they are. And they're using techniques that they learned, and it's not hard. It really isn't. Because I'm like 50 years old, and I'm getting ready to learn this myself, and I'm getting ready to go through the box. I have a lot of different things that I want to do as far as making money and so forth. I got some products that I want to sell and things like that. So I've got to get this education so that I can learn how to make the videos and all the things that go along with it, the keywords and all that stuff. So this is a course that will really show you how to do that, really give you the education that you need in order to flourish and thrive and do really well. So again, this website right here, YouTubeCashProgram.com. Take a look at it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you have a good night. See ya.